Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I want to tell her good morning. Huh? Daily I want to tell good morning. Then only you give me good morning.
We don't know no, you are there or not there.
I am going somewhere. Putting mute, who is that? Okay. Yesterday we took no lung cancer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Balance is there. And laboratory test we are already discussed about the CBC and the blood chemistry. And then it is biopsies there. It means to determine the tumor of the cancer or not. And to determine the types of cancer and to determine the grade of cancer. That is the biopsy test. And the bronchoscopy. The bronchoscopy is used to view the airway and check for any abnormality. Okay, any abnormalities is there in that airway, we will check the but procedure use the bronchoscopy. Next in a procedure, endoscopy, mediastinoscopy, PAT means thoracic. A putting new time. Yes, mediastinoscopy, incision. Okay, what is the procedure? Incision. Incision means we enter in the needle and we will take the for biopsy purpose issue. Okay. Next, video assisted thoracoscopic surgery. This is the lung surgery picture. You can see removing the lungs. That means carcinoma removing from the laparoscopic surgery. It means they will put the laparoscope and inside and see the video and then they will do the surgery. Okay, that is the thoracoscopic surgery. Nursing management of the post endoscopic procedure. Endoscopic procedure before what is the nursing management of the lung patient. It means before we want to do the bronchoscopy, next medianoscopy, next wax. Okay, it means a bronchoscopy means nil per orally status maintained until the return of the gag reflex. Okay, after only allow to the patient to take the food. And mediastinoscopy means monitor vital signs, potential for the bleeding, infection, and dyspnea and NPO, nil per orally status until return the gag reflex. Same as the VATS also monitor vital signs, potential for the bleeding, infection, and dyspnea, nil per orally status and until return the gag reflex. That is the nursing management of post endoscopic procedure. Okay. Next, post-op complication for those with lung cancer. Post-op complication. It means airway obstruction, dyspnea, hypoxemia, respiratory failure, anesthesia side effect, okay, bleeding, cardiac dysrhythmia, fever, and sepsis, pneumonia, pneumothorax, pulmonary embolus, wound, dehiscence, prolonged hospitalization, and death. This is the post-op complication for those with the lung cancer. Okay, airway obstruction, dyspnea, and bleeding, cardiac dysrhythmias, fever, pneumonia, pneumothorax, and embolism, wound dehiscence, prolonged hospitalization, and death. Next, cancer staging system. It means the most common staging system for lung cancer is the TNMA system. It means TNMA means I will tell later, and developed the International Union Against Cancer. Okay, guide best course of the treatment and estimate prognosis. It is only useful in the staging known. This is NSCLSC. What is NSCLSC? This one, non-small cell lung cancer. Yesterday I took my NSCLSC. Nobody is reading. Okay, it is only useful for staging NSCLSC when surgery is considered. Then TMN staging system for lung cancer. What is the TMN? T means tumor. Okay, and N means node, and M means metastasis. You see, this is the tumor. Okay, in lung tumor. Understand what is TMN stage of system of the lung cancer? T means tumor, N means node. It means size and types. M means metastasis. That is the TMN staging system for lung cancer. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next one is the medical management. There are three main cancer treatments are surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy. Okay. Other type of treatment that are used to treat certain cancer are hormonal therapy, biological therapy, or stem cell transplantation. Like that, another type of the medical management. Mainly in cancer treatment is the surgery and radiation and chemotherapy. Okay. It means surgical treatment means lobectomy. What is a single lobe of lung is removed. In lungs, a single lobe, it is removed. That is the lobectomy. Next one is the bilobectomy. It means two lobes of the lung are removed, only or right side. Understand? Lobectomy and bilobectomy. Next one is the sleeve resection. It means cancerous lobe is removed and the segment of the main bronchus is resected. Okay, that is the sleeve resection. Next, pneumonectomy, removal of the entire lung. Removal of the entire lung. Next one is the entire means where that affected, that part is removed. Next one is the segmentectomy. A segment of the lung is removed. A segment of the lung is removed. Next one is the wedge resection. It is removal of a small pie-shaped area of the segment. That is the wedge resection. Okay. Next one is the chest wall resection with the removal of the cancerous lung. Cause of a cancer that have a invaded the chest wall. In chest valve, that is removing. That is the chest wall resection with the removal of the cancerous lung. Okay, this is the surgical treatment. Lobectomy, sleeve resection, pneumonectomy, segmentectomy, wedge resection, chest wall resection with the removal of a cancerous lung. Understand surgical treatment?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is the radiation treatment. Useful in controlling the neoplasma that cannot be surgically removed. Radiation means, you know, all are know nowadays what is the radiation. Huh? Radiation. Cancer coming means we will do the first chemotherapy and radiation. Now, then only we will go the surgical treatment. That actually your Bengali meaning I don't know. Radiation means it is a not removing. From there only that tissue is what?
Dismiss.
What is that? Huh?
Damage.
Damaging. Damaging and throwing. Okay. Useful in controlling the neoplasma that cannot be surgically removed. Next, used to reduce the size of the tumor. Used and it in radiation means to reduce the size of the tumor and may help to remove the symptoms like radiation means having any signs and symptoms. It means cough, chest pain, dizzy, and hemoptysis that will stop. Okay. Understand radiation treatment?
Yes, ma'am. So the light or
light and something radiation. Next one is the chemotherapy. It is used in medicine. Okay. It is used to alter tumor growth and treat the patient with the metastasis. Non-small cell means two drugs. Chemotherapy means drug used. Understand? Non-small cell. It is two drug. That is the carboplatin plus one other taxoti and something. And the small cell means kisapelatin and etoposide. This is the chemotherapy. But chemotherapy, you can see side effect is there. Tangling, dizziness, weakness, cold, pale skin, alopsia, fatigue, anemia, thrombocytopenia, and throwing the hair. Okay. In chemotherapy, after you can see the patient means we can know that is a chemotherapy patient. Means like that the signs and symptoms affect the treatment. It means affect that medicine. Okay, surgery means side effect means so much pain and hematomas and hemorrhage, altered respiratory function, something. And radiation means decreased nutritional intake, radiodermitis, decreased hematopoietic function, risk for a pneumonia, okay, esophagus hunger, lung fibrosis, grief. This is the side effect of the surgery and radiation and chemotherapy. Next one is the prevention. How to prevent the lung cancer? Primary stage. It means avoid the use of tobacco smoke. And know the environmental carcinogens that increase the risk. Next, chemo prevention. Next one is the consuming vitamin A, vitamin C. Vitamin E and vitamin C. Okay, that is the primary stage. Next one is the secondary stage. That aim is to early diagnosis high-risk population by screening. It means the signs and symptoms showing about lung cancer. Okay, and the doctors will advise the chest X-ray, MRI, and screening. That secondary stage. It means that avoiding means that will complication will come lung cancer. You should prevention. It means take the treatment fastly means better to cure. Okay, that's why aim to early diagnosis high risk population by screening and chest X-ray, MRI, and CT scan and sputum cytology. You should do that. It means prevention. Okay. Next one is the territory. It means you should advise to the patient about the safeness. Means target and people who survival cancer disease. Who having cancer means they may be means their mind is absconded and they don't know what they will do and they'll painful only. Correct now? That time you should assist the patient and give the suggestion and advice. That is the territory. You targeted the people who survival cancer disease and assist them to retain the optimal level of the functioning and regarding of their potential disability disease. You should give the advice to the patient and a potential support to the patient. That is the prevention of tertiary. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is the nursing assessment. It means subjective data, past health history, exposure to smoke, airborne, carcinogen, any respiratory disease and pollution, and in nutritional habits, symptoms like anorexia, nausea, vomiting, cough, and hemoptysis. This is the nursing assessment of the lung cancer patient. Okay. Now understand what is the lung cancer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is affecting the respiratory system. Lung cancer, it means cancer means what death for men and women. Tobacco is it is 70%, and 70% lung cancer patient disease the spread to distant organ. And cancer definition, and you can see this is the healthy lung tissue. This is the diseased lung tissue. Types of lung cancer is the small cell lung cancer and non-small cell lung cancer. Small cell lung cancer means it is most aggressive for the lung cancer. It is usually start in the bronchi, then affect the whole lungs. These cancer cells are small and they are considered to be quite aggressive, unnatural, and they have large growth factors. Non-small cell cancer means it's type of epithelial lung cancer other than small cell lung cancer. Non-small lung cancer can usually grow and spread more slowly than SCLC. And the types of non-cell small cancer means squamous adenocarcinoma, large cell carcinoma. Squamous means carcinoma usually arises in the large bronchi. Adenocarcinoma means formed from granular structure in a epithelial tissue. Large means occur in any part of the lungs. Okay. And causes smoking and active smoking, passive smoking, older age, and the main content is pollution and occupational exposure, industry work, and lung disease, TB, family history, like that. And pathophysiology is carcinoid like the smoking, occupational and environmental agent, and bind with the cLDNA and damage the cell. Signs and symptoms, there are two kinds of localized, generalized. Localized means involving the lungs only. Okay. And generalized means it is spreading the body full. And what is the early stage? What is the late signs and symptoms? Next diagnosis, text X-ray, CT scan, MRI, laboratory test, biopsy, CBC, and bronchoscopy, endoscopy, mediastinopy, and video assistant thoracoscopy surgery. Okay, after procedure, you should procedure is there before post endoscopy procedure, bronchoscopy, mediastinoscopy, and parts. Next, post-op complication for the with lung cancer means bleeding, cardiac means fever, pneumonia, pneumothorax, pulmonary embolus, wound. These are the post-op complication of the with lung cancer. Next, cancer staging system means TNM. TNM means tumor and node metastasis. And what is the medical management? Surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy. Surgery means lobectomy, sleeve resection, pneumectomy, and segmentectomy, wedge resection, chest wall resection with the removal of the cancerous structure. Radiation, what is radiation, what is chemo, and the side effect of the surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. Next, prevention and primary, prevention in secondary, and prevention of tertiary and nursing assessment. Okay.
Ma'am, interlope means
What?
removal of interlope in lung. Interlope means some
Not hearing.
Hmm?
I am not hearing your sound properly.
Ma'am, entire lobe. Removal of entire lobe.
Entire
in lung.
lobe. Entire lobe.
Yes, ma'am.
You take the lungs picture, then you see the all particles of the lungs. They are having entire lobes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you can
Ma'am,
understand entire lobes.
ma'am, metastasis mean?
Metastatic means it get cancer only.
Okay. Or ma'am, environmental carcinogen mean?
Environmental transfer.
Carcinogen.
That also cancer only. Carcinogen.
But in that,
Metastatic. All cancer, another types of cancer and names. Rubam Dutta, where going?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, post office.
Okay, go. Okay, any doubt?
How to give hormonal therapy?
Not hearing.
How to give hormonal therapy?
Hormonal therapy.
Yes, ma'am.
Hormonal therapy and
In other therapy is there.
other therapy. Oh, that next topic you have therapy, medicine therapy. Next topic that one. That time I will give explain. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ayurveda and homeopathy and other types of medical therapy. So much is there. Next topic that one only. That time I will tell what is the therapy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
എഴുതിയോ